In this video, we will see how to link a BI Publisher report to data actions using Analytics link. For this demo, I'm going to use Sales BIP report created using sample order lines dataset from Excel file. As you can see, this report uses a parameter product category as a menu. Let's edit the report to note down the parameter name mentioned in the report for further use. As you can see, sample order lines dataset is added to the project. Let's create a stacked bar chart with product category, order priority, and sales. From the project menu, click Data Actions and add a new action. Provide a name and select Analytics link as type. We can select a column in Anchor to or leave it blank. Let's select Sales BIP report we saw earlier as target. Now let's map product category with the parameter name we noted in Sales BIP report. Let's select product category as a custom pass value. Now let's right click on Office Supplies bar and select Open BIP report. You can see the report opens only with office supplies in product category. Thanks for watching the video.